Did you know that a single safety pin can withstand a force equivalent to 100 kilograms of pressure? This safety pin, a seemingly insignificant metal object, is capable of withstanding a force that's equivalent to 100 kilograms of pressure. To put that into perspective, imagine a standard adult human weighing around 60 kilograms. So, essentially, this tiny safety pin can support the weight of a person's body. But how does it achieve this incredible feat? The answer lies in its design and the materials used to make it. A safety pin consists of a metal wire with a pointed end and a spring-loaded mechanism that allows it to close and open. The metal wire is typically made from steel, which is a very strong and durable material. But what's even more interesting is the way the spring-loaded mechanism works. Imagine a coiled spring that's designed to exert a significant amount of force when it's compressed. That's essentially what's happening inside a safety pin when you press the spring-loaded mechanism. But that's not the strangest part, as we'll discover later in this video. For now, let's focus on the physics behind the safety pin's incredible strength. When you apply pressure to the safety pin, the metal wire compresses and the spring-loaded mechanism exerts a force that counteracts the pressure. This is known as the spring constant, and it's a fundamental concept in physics. The spring constant determines the amount of force that a spring will exert when it's compressed. In the case of a safety pin, the spring constant is carefully designed to provide the perfect balance of strength and flexibility. But wait until you hear what comes next. You see, the safety pin's strength isn't just limited to withstanding external forces. It also has a remarkable ability to resist deformation when subjected to stress. Imagine a metal rod that's being stretched to its limits. If the rod is made of a weak material, it will likely deform or even break under stress. But a safety pin made from strong steel will resist deformation and maintain its shape. This is because the metal wire is subjected to a process called work hardening. Work hardening is a process in which a material becomes stronger and more resistant to deformation when it's subjected to stress. So, when you press a safety pin, the metal wire is subjected to a significant amount of stress. But instead of deforming, it becomes even stronger and more resistant to further stress. And that's not all, as we'll discover in the next section. For centuries, safety pins have been used as a simple yet effective solution for fastening and securing objects. From clothing to packaging, safety pins have played a vital role in our daily lives, but their significance goes beyond just their practical uses.
Safety pins have also been used as a symbol of hope and resilience in times of crisis.
For example, during World War II, safety pins were used as a symbol of resistance against oppressive regimes. So, the next time you use a safety pin, remember its rich history and significance. In conclusion, the safety pin is an incredible object that's capable of withstanding a force equivalent to 100 kilograms of pressure. Its strength and durability are due to its design and the materials used to make it. From its spring-loaded mechanism to its work-hardened metal wire, the safety pin is a marvel of engineering. So, subscribe to our channel for more fascinating stories like this, and don't forget to like and comment below. If you found this video informative and engaging, be sure to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating stories.